Alright, hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Rocketry 3D, and if you're going to guess by the name of the channel, we're doing rocketry. So I've been designing a rocket with my 3D printer and my computer to shoot off two D-size engines at the same time. Well, in today's video, we're going to work on a parachute mechanism to help shoot the parachute out and not damage any equipment on the inside like the altimeter. So this is a very rough drawing, but we have the bottom part of the rocket here, the wings, whatever you want to call them, and we have two ports for the rocket. Man, I really need to work on my drawing skills. Let me redo that. Sorry. Alright, so we have our bottoms here. Alright. Here. So we're gonna have two ports right here that will hold the actual engine in the rocket, you could say. And I'm working on something to hold the engines in to the rocket. But otherwise, it's kind of some crude visual. Anyway, the body of the rocket will go up like this, straight up. I have a part made where it goes up a little bit and kind of makes this like, I don't know, weird shaped triangle looking thing and connects them. So what's gonna happen when it uses a solid fuel engine to send it up into the air? But what happens when it runs out of it? There's a secondary charge that blows up about here in both of them, and that force is usually sent up this, just up straight. Well, with this on it, I'm gonna have it continue shooting, force it to go up these pipes, because I'm gonna have some equipment in here to read how high it goes and how fast it goes. So I want to make something, a low tube that goes up, then is connected to a flat spot here where the parachute will sit. And hopefully as a result, the forces should go straight through that up to the parachute, shoot the parachute out when it ejects, and not damage anything else inside. So how let's minimize that. Go into Inventor. This is the bottom part, how it looks like. I don't have a camera used at the moment, or otherwise I'd show you the fully 3D printed one. But simple little two holes for the rockets, and that it just connect about here-ish. And I'll actually open up the other file, see what I've made for the kind of like the parachute ejection system. Alright, so this is parachute first stage, where it connects both motors together. The fumes or force, pressure, whatever you want to call it, will push through these tubes and straight up through here. Now we just gotta design the rest of this part, because the body for the rocket is also made too. I just gotta work on the inners of it pretty much. So we'll go here, we'll start a new sketch, open that up, and just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so this is now finished, so I am going to send this off to print, but I'll just tell you real quick what I was doing. Alright, just to clarify. Alright, so this tube's going to connect to about here on the outside of this. Should be held on by a tension, so when the rocket flips upside down after deploy the parachute, it doesn't slide out. Alright, and this little thing right here, I think I may actually remove it, but I think it's for making sure the parachute doesn't fall down too far, and get stuck into it, where when it does happen, it's not stuck enough where it won't get shot out. So I'm actually gonna remove that real quick. Alright, so I got the part done. Here it is. Really simple part, actually. I gotta sand this glue and stuff off. I had to put some glue on the bed, make it stick down. But yeah, it came out pretty nice otherwise. I'll just show you other parts of the rocket so far. This is the body. It's about 8 inches tall. Really simple, just a tube with some knobs that helps keep it on the other part of the rocket. And here is the most important part of the rocket. I'll probably have to hold it better. But as you can see on this bottom part, the 2 holes, the larger ones, are meant to hold the rocket. And those 2 smaller holes on each side will be a locking mechanism to keep the engines inside the engine ports, or whatever you want to call them. This part right here was... Alright, sorry about that. My camera fell down. But otherwise, these parts up here, this is that, like, one, like, I don't know what you'd call it, like 2 pipes connector or whatever. It's just held on by high-tech hot glue. Kind of look down into there. But yeah, that is the process on the rocket. This part, it just holds on by tension. This part, the body, you just hold it on via, tubes. It just turn to the left or right, whatever. And I got sanded some more down so it has a nice, even, clean edge on it. Otherwise, it will hold itself, not fly off or anything. Next, all we have to do is work on the nose and the bottom part holding the engines in, and it'll be flight ready. So thanks for watching. Have a nice night.